This video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
What the hell? Man, y'all see I have an issue again. Little ass screw right here. I have no idea how I'm gonna get this thing out. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the video. As y'all see, we have an issue with the 63 once again. I'm actually about to hit up a Carmeet. Today is the annual Larry Chen Carmeet.
Car people. They think that we're stupid and we didn't.
The Queen Mary, so we're about to hit that up, but I'm gonna get the 63 right first. Look at that. This is like a what, metal wood screw? I don't want to hit the rim.
2 hours later.
I patched up my tire and all that. We're on the way to the Carmeet. Y'all see the big ass bridge over there. I'm about to give y'all some POV. Got this thing in sport. Y'all, this bridge looks crazy. I hope my phone don't fly out the window. Yeah, the whistle is crazy for real. Alright, yeah, we're coming in downtown Long Beach now, so I was just parked up, about to give you guys some revs of the 63. It is in race mode, so race mode revs, y'all. Yeah, I've never seen a GTR's engine bay for real. This is one of my dream cars, right?
You make some jokes and you talk about the fact that you're just acting and you have great skin and great hair and all that, but Sung is a true car fan. He's a true car enthusiast. You know,
Just against car people. They think that we're stupid and we didn't.
Honest angle. When you guys see fake stunts and green screen, you know it's fake. And you don't want that anymore. And so it was important to have all of these folks in the car community, in the drift community, do real driving and keep it honest. And that was really important for me. And it was important to have everybody here that's on stage and everybody, you yourself. I mean, Jared is in the movie. He is it was so important, you know. And again, I thank everybody here. I thank everybody in the car community that came and they gave this film their hearts. You know, and you can't pay for it. You know, and you guys will know if it's a bunch of bullshit or the camera doesn't lie, guys, and you guys know that, right? So.
Well, it comes from here and it's out there. What do you guys say? Make some noise for Sung Kang, Adam LZ, Larry Chen, Chris Forsberg.
King Beats.
Rabbit. Come on. Yo, I don't even know what the hell is going on in here no more, bro. Like, I don't know what it is, but I know it's shiny.